Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Karity lipsticks. You guys, I have a pimple right here. I don't know what is going on with the pimples on my chin, but let's make that into a mole. That looks stupid, but whatever. Hopefully you guys can't really see it. I'm literally so excited. Thank you, Karity, for partnering up with me on this video. But they sent me these lipsticks through PR, and I'm so excited to try these because all the colors are so pretty. And the packaging is literally to die for. This is their staff favorites lip lock lipsticks. Get your lips on lock with this comfy, long-lasting liquid lipstick that dries down to a pizza-proof velvet matte finish. I love velvet matte finishes. Like, I made my eyes like really nice and smoky so they can go with all the lipsticks here. And available at Karity.com for $6. So their packaging is literally so cute. Karity, like I said, is a really great company. I ordered their smoky palette, which is this palette right here, and all the colors are so pigmented. They're so pretty, and I was just like, I cannot wait to order for them again. But I'm so excited they reached out to me because I already know that this is gonna look really bomb. And for any matte lipstick that I'm gonna put on my lips, I'm gonna make sure that I have my lips moisturized. And I do see that there's some pinks and nudes in here, and because I am a darker skin tone, I'm gonna make sure I line my lips so that it looks right. Yo, for $6, this is a lot of product. I did not expect that. Wow. So the first color that I'm gonna try is Sugary Sweet.
The world was ours, you had the power, take that away. Talked in the shower, you said you'll never, just walk away. I hate you. And now I stay with him to avoid the pain within. Look how long it has been. I still think of you and all the things you do. Scared to pick another you. But the world was ours. You had the power. Take that away. Talks in the shower. You said you never. Just walk away.
Okay, so those are all the swatches to the lipsticks or the lip locks from Karity. I had to put this one back on because this is literally my favorite, and this one is the TikTok Boom. And honestly, from the packaging, I could tell this one was gonna be my favorite. I really like the formula because they stay on your lips and they don't stain at all. A drinking test, and there is nothing on the glass. So it's really good. I like the formula. It stays on for a long time. I think I'm gonna go to work and then come back and see how the formula still stays on without any other application. But they feel really good and very comfortable. The one thing is that it dries really fast. So pick the color you want and stick with it. It doesn't come off with water or anything, but to take it off, probably like a makeup wipe or some oil will probably take it off for you. But I really am so in love with this color. It looks really nice. Make sure you moisturize your lips before putting it on because this is a matte lipstick, so you want to keep your lips moisturized. So that's the only thing, but I love these. All the colors look really nice. All the lighter colors, I made sure I put a liner with it. Just being dark skinned, you would want to put a liner with the lighter colors or you're gonna look crazy. So I honestly, these are so cute. I love the packaging. For the fact that it's this much product that comes in it and it is $6, is so cheap. Karity has great products. Like when I first ordered their eyeshadow palette, it was really great, and then I think I got a brush with it as well because they're always having like great sales, and the brush was like, it's my favorite eyeshadow brush. right here, and that's what I use for my makeup today. Like, it's really, really soft. It blends everything like really, really nicely, and it keeps the pigment on the eyeshadows. Like, it just packs it on your eyes. So I really, really like that brush. Karity is a cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free company, and they are legit like growing. They're a great company. It's getting hot. Jesus Christ. But they're a great company. I honestly am so in love with them. I'm about to go check out their website to go order more products. But if you guys would like to check these lipsticks out, please make sure you click the link down below because these are so beautiful. And let me know which one was your favorite that I'm wearing. I know you guys are gonna like this one because I love this one. This is so cute. It's like good for the fall and the winter, but I'll get away with it during the spring and the summer as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye!